Hello everyone, this is a new part of tutorial videos, and in this part we were gonna start creating a new animal. We're gonna add a fox, and the difference between fox and deer is gonna be that fox can attack player, and after some time of attacking it will run away, but it will not attack deers, and deers will not be scared of foxes. So let's start. In this animal variety pack, we have such fox. It's not a good quality fox, but in far distance it's not visible. Also, it has some animations and so on. So let's create a blueprint. Let's navigate back to an AI folder, to animals, and create new folder called fox. Also, let's add an animal type. Okay, we have fox type, by the way, already. And let's create an animal subtype. I think that we have only one fox. We don't have male fox. Right. So mm, it will be just a fox. Now let's navigate to fox folder, and we're gonna create a new actor. But it will not be just an actor. It is gonna be a BP animal parent subclass. And let's call it oh, and let's call it BP fox. Let's open it up. Select a mesh and select skeletal mesh. It is gonna be a fox. Also, let's move static mesh a little bit upwards, and let's change a capsule half height. Let's decrease it. Also, it is too big for a fox. Let's decrease its radius from 34 to 25, maybe, and decrease half height a little bit less to 15. 15, 15, 15, 15 is fine. Now let's look from right and move fox so that legs will fit ground. So that's from right and that's from front. Okay, now we should not forget to rotate our fox to face direction that the blue arrow faces. And we need to somehow provide a socket for this static mesh. So let's open a fox skeleton. Where is it? Here it is. And let's add a socket. We're gonna add it on fox head, add socket, and call it state socket. Let's add the preview set. It is gonna be question mark as in previous videos. Scale is gonna be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now let's rotate it and move it upwards like this. Okay, we can close it, and here on variables, I'm gonna show inherited variables, select state mesh socket, and paste state socket name here, and close inherited, no, just show them back, and change an animal subtype from doe to fox. And now I'm gonna close inherited variables. So now our question mark looks correct. Next, we're gonna configure our perception system. Fox is gonna look much further than a DAO or a stack, I think. I'm not sure how it works for animals, but let it be, or no, let it be to 2500 and 2700. Also, peripheral vision is gonna be 80, and everything else gonna stay the same. Next, we're gonna change perception handler. Here we have runaway actors. Now it's gonna be a BP main character. Okay, next timer, interruption time gonna be 5 seconds, runaway time is gonna be like 20 seconds. And finally, we have to configure movement component and add some speeds. So it runs much slower than a DAO. Of course, DAO runs with 750 speed. Fox is gonna run with 600, and also it works uh, slower. DAO works with 150, and Fox will work with 110. That's all to configure here, I think. And we can get away from a Fox for now. Now we need to create an animation blueprint. So let's select our ABP animal. Also, I'm gonna save all so that nothing will crash. Create child anim blueprint with skeleton. Select Fox, create child, and call it ABP Fox, and move it into Fox folder. Now let's open it up. And we have to provide it with some blend space. We need to provide a blend space for walking and running. And we have to add some idle animations. But idle animations are added in ABP animals. So let's open ABP animals, locomotion, and idle. Okay, here let's add a new pose for a fox. Just right click on these blend poses, add fox. And it is gonna be a random sequence player. Now let's select a set browser, type in fox, and we have some animations. Idle breeze. Let's add this and try first. Sleeping, resting. We have idle breeze, idle look around, and that's all. And maybe resting. Maybe I will add this animation also. So we have idle breeze and chance to play is 0.7. Min loops counted from 3 to 7. And blend in 0.7 and make it cubic. Next. Next is gonna be idle look around. It is gonna have a chance of 0.3 and min loop count, max loop count is 1. Also blend in is gonna be 0.7. Mode is gonna be cubic. And the last one is resting. Yes, we don't have anything else. Resting. Chance for resting will be 0.05 and loops count is gonna be from 5 to 10. Also, blending is gonna be from 0.7 and cubic. And what do we have here? Maybe force animation will be fine. No, we don't have force animation, so we'll just delete it. Okay, we have an idle animations for our fox. Now let's create a blend space. Let's open Fox, create animation, legacy, blend space 1D. Select Fox skeleton and call it Baz Fox walk run. Now let's see what are the speeds that we've set it. Run is 600, walk is 110. 600 and 110. Open blend space, name our name it speed, and max value is 600. Also grid divisions I will set to 30, and at 0 speed it's gonna be idle breeze. Also snap to grid. Next we're gonna add walk on 100. No, not on 100. Okay, we will decide how fast is this animation for current speed, and we have to add run to this animate to this state. Now the Fox. Now we have to only open ABP Fox, and on Asset Override Editor select this blank space. Fox walk run. Okay. Finally, let's add just one Fox blueprint here and run a project. And it does nothing. So it does nothing because on blueprint Fox we didn't select an animation blueprint here. We didn't select an animation class for skeletal mesh. So let's open it up and select ABP Fox. Now let's open it up again. Here it is. But it doesn't see us. Am I correct? It doesn't see us. Why? Let's open AI perception. Let's select the dominant sense, but it should not change anything. Hmm. Maybe perception handler not working, but it should. Runaway actors is main character. Oh, what happens here? Let me see how this animation looks like. This resting animation. Resting. No, everything is correct. And in ABP animal, we okay, I used rest to go back up and not just rest. So I have to put resting animation here. Well, not well. It doesn't see us. So let's start again and debug our perception systems. 5, 6. Okay, it sees us. It sees us, but looks like our perception handler not working for a fox right now. Let me close everything here, and let's check what happens. So we're handling the perception and handling side perception. Here, setting behavior to run away. Oh, it is strange. I don't understand what we forgot to add. What we have forgot to add? Fox, open, perception handler. We have runaway actor as BP main character. Default behavior is idle. Okay, it's just a config, but it should. Maybe behavior tree is not running. Let's open a DAO. Okay, I'm running the behavior tree on the DAO, but I should run it on BP animal parent, not in DAO. So let's open BP animal parent, open event graph. And here on begin play, we're gonna call run behavior tree. Also, let's open BP stack. Okay, I have two BP stacks, not this one. Let's open this BP stack. And also, we're not gonna run behavior tree from here. Now let's test it. Okay, it saw us. And now it runs away. Okay, it runs too fast, so we should decrease the speed of running for our fox. So let's open movement component, and running speed should be 500, for example. Now test it again. Walking speed seems okay. Also too fast, 400. And as you can see, our animals don't work. That happens because on our bag and play here is active. So let's just delete begin play from DAO, and let's just delete begin play from stack. And now our deers will start working. Oh, now, of course, we're changing the speed. Okay, let's back to 500, but we're not changing the blend space. So animation is low also. So let's move run from 600 to 500. And let's see how it will work. Great. Now it works correct. But as you can see, our uh, montage for interruption is not working because here we're using montage for a skeleton of a DAO, but we're using this behavior tree for a big amount of skeletons. So play montage here is not working, and we have to get this montage from somewhere. But let I don't know yet from where I'm gonna select this. I think that every BP animal parent should have its own config file with some animations. Okay, now here we gonna do gonna add a variable. Yes, we're gonna add a variable and call it interruption and interruption montage. And also let's make it public and make this to public also. And it is gonna be a montage, an in montage. So now let's select DAO. Okay, we don't see it. Let's select it here. And we should have some here. We have an interruption montage. Now let's select an in montage interruption. That will be a montage of interruption for a DAO. Now we have to do the same for a stack. We should create our new montage for a stack, but I will create it only for a fox now. So let's select an animation that we're gonna play for fox, idle aggressive. I think that this one is fine. So I'm gonna just right click on it, create any montage, and call it AM Fox Interrupted. Open it up, and this is too short. So I will increase loops count to, what is the duration of this animation? It's 2 seconds. I will increase it to 5. I will increase it to 10 seconds, and it will be stopped when I will need it. Also, blend in time is gonna be 0.7, 0.7. I will add cubic and make it cubic, cubic here. So let's open Fox and select it and select AM Fox interrupted. Now back to our behavior tree. We have to pass here some montage. We have to select it from our blackboard, by the way. So, or maybe not. Maybe we shouldn't. No, we don't need to do it. We gonna no, we have to. So let's create a new key, and it is gonna be an object. Uh, and it is gonna be an interruption montage of type montage. Any montage. And we gonna open our behavior tree back, and here we gonna, and we cannot just select some montage from here. So let's clear it up, and a montage to play is not gonna be an any montage, it's gonna be a blackboard key selector. And here we're gonna get it and get blackboard value as object, and we're gonna cast so montage, cast only montage, and plug it into montage to play. Also, let's move everything a little bit to the right. And we're gonna do the same here on abortion. So we're gonna get this blackboard value, cast it to montage, and play it here. And now here we're just gonna select an interruption montage, but we need to set it from somewhere. So where we're gonna do that? We're gonna do that on I don't think that we have to do it on this service, because we need an interruption montage to be set only here. So maybe we have already, no. So let's create a new service, blueprint base, and call it beta service, read interruption montage. But I don't think that it is fine. Hmm. Okay, let's create it, and we will add just one event on event receive activation AI. And here we need some variables. We need, oh no, we don't need some variables. We just get in control pawn, casting it to BP animal parent, and getting interruption montage. So also here we need a variable. We're gonna edit interruption montage key of type blackboard key selector. Also make it public. And after that, we're gonna get interruption montage key and set blackboard value as object. And we're gonna set this interruption montage here. Okay, and that's all. Now save, compile, open behavior tree, and we're gonna add service, but we're not gonna add it here because we don't need the service to run here. We don't need it in this case. We don't need it in this case. We need it only in this case. So we will add it to this sequence. So let's right click here and read interruption montage. Also, we need some time of an activation. To be honest, I also let's select interruption montage key. Also, I wouldn't like to even do something on every tick. I need to do it only on an activation. So I will set an interval to 15, random deviation to 0, call tick. We don't need any ticks. So that's all. Now let's test it, and it will work. It should work at least for Fox. Here, as you can see, Fox is playing its montage, and let's see how it works for DAO. And DAO is playing its own montage and runs away. Great. That's it for this video. In the next video, we're gonna add some logic for a fox to not just run away as deer. It should attack us. So, thanks for watching. Hope it will help someone.